St. James is again on the Health Ministry's radar as COVID cases are again spiking in that parish. A team from the ministry highlighted the problem to the local authority on Wednesday. The Health Minister and his team have visited Westmoreland and Hanover and on Wednesday were in St. James. After conducting COVID-19 tests in each parish, Dr. Tufton had this assessment.
We are concerned about the West because the West is where the most activity is now taking place from a COVID virus spread perspective.
Westmoreland is now under a tighter curfew as cases in that parish have spiked. The national average of positive cases range between 6 and 9%. Westmoreland averages about 30%. Hanover, 17%. St. James is not far behind as it accounts for 1,256 positive cases, 121 of which are active, and has recorded 46 COVID deaths. St. James' average of positive cases is 15%.
The 15% means that the multiplier possibility can become a lot worse. And indeed, what it really means is that anywhere you have 100 people, the chances are 15 of them are positive. What it means is that for us in this room, there are about 2 or 3 of you that possibly could be positive.
Minister Tufton listed 2 main reasons for the rapid spread of the virus in that parish. Firstly, the apparent disregard of COVID protocols. He accepted that physical distancing, that is, staying at least 6 feet away from other persons, may be difficult in shopping areas during the Christmas season.
But that mask wearing is absolutely critical because for those who may be positive, it keeps the virus with them. For those who are not, it protects them from those who are positive. And that message has to be reinforced.
He notes that persons tend to disregard this advice until they or their loved ones become infected and need to be hospitalized. The other factor contributing to the spread is common in several other parishes.
We're still having the parties, even though I know the council has not given any permits for parties because your minister and I communicate a lot. These parties are at the bars, the gatherings are all over. And people just don't seem to take the thing seriously unless they are directly affected.
Dr. Tufton warns that if the spike continues, St. James may have increased restrictions as has been implemented in Westmoreland. The ministry is again calling for persons to take responsibility for their own actions to avoid harsher restrictions during the holiday period.